Hey everyone, it's Elaine, and yep, I'm back at it again. Now today, my friend Kathy came over to help me move things. Now you know you have a good friend when they're willing to come and help you move. Alright? Yep, all hell has exploded in this room now. It is too funny to me. I have moved over my crafting table, which is there, and part of the legs are there and there. And I have moved over all of my plastic bins, and we have moved over a bookcase. I'm trying to do placement starting in the back of the building, working my way forward. So piles and, excuse the bucket, more piles and more piles. And we kind of came into a situation where we're going to have some big gaps in between the braces there for the toolbar, but that's okay. The little bins won't fit in there either, so that's fine. But this is all the drawers now. The bins have been kind of dusted and cleaned off, and we're gonna start putting the bins in and getting the desk put back together again. And then those plastic bins there are going to go on top of the plastic bins here. So that's my plan anyway. And then, of course, I have this monstrosity, one of my Rasco carts, that I actually did not unload and moved it as it is. Yay for me. And then I have this monstrosity here that's on these 3 tables and the dump bin. So we're hard at it. We've got pretty much everything in here that we're going to work on right now before lunch. And then I do have that one cabinet that I'd like to get emptied and in here, but I don't know that that's going to happen today. So anyhow, I do appreciate it. And please, if you haven't, come on back and subscribe and see how this all comes out. But I wanted to give you an update of the place probably right now at its worst. I can't say the word. At its worst. So, at its worst. There we go, Elaine. So anyhow, I appreciate it. And like I said, kind of rambling, trying to catch my breath. If you want to come join in, hurry up. Come help. Catch you later. But listen, don't forget, thumbs up and subscribe to me. Appreciate it. Bye.